Yo, what's good guys? Pat Music Production here from Producer Buzz, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to sound like T-Pain in FL Studio using the free Core VST plugin and Core VST plugin. So free VST plugin and free VST plugins within FL Studio. Now I've used the same beat. Keep your suggestions coming. We didn't get enough suggestions. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your vocals from sounding like this.
Call me on my phone, told me that you was in love. How you love me, but
to sounding like this.
Call me on my phone, told me that you was in love. How you love me, but
sounds just like T-Pain. And what did I do to achieve it? Well, I'm going to be showing you today guys. We've got a new plugin called Voloco. It's a free VST plugin that you guys can use instead of Antares. Now again, it is not as good as Antares, but if you can't afford Antares, then this is the free option you guys could use. Okay, now all you're going to do is you got to select hard settings here on the side, key C and major. So this is B is in C major. That's what we did. We also threw a fruity reverb on there on the main vocal effect, as you guys can see, and just a normal fruity reverb on 50% input, so not all the way, just halfway like that. Then we're using fruity parametric EQ, and all we do is we select the preset vocal presence on here, and then fruity multiband compressor, and we select the preset again called the vocal preset. So on the side, presets and vocal preset, and that's all you guys need to do, and that will turn your vocals from sounding like this
call me on my phone, told me that
to sounding like this.
Call me on my phone, told me that you was in love.
How simple is that, right? I mean, within 4 VST plugins, 4 stacks of effects here on the side, you guys can sound just like T-Pain. Now if you guys want this Voloco kind of free Autotune Antares alternative VST plugin, then there's a link below. You guys can grab it from Producer Buzz. It's free to download. Just make sure you hit the like on this video for me bringing out some good information, letting you guys know that you guys, you can get a free Autotune Antares. It's not as good because you can't control the harmony and stuff, and you can't control some of the effects that you need from other artists, but it's definitely good to start off with, and to make it sound like T-Pain is just perfect. Now, just before I go and let you guys download the preset, I downloaded my vocals using Sound Goodizer with B. So, as you start recording your vocals, just use B, start recording into the system just like this. And then on these vocals that you would record, you would, put it into channel 11 or whatever, which is what we've done here at the top. And this is exactly what we got. Now you guys have noticed I'm not using my microphone today. I'm using the phone as I ordered a new cable for the mic. But it's not an issue. This is a very quick video of me showcasing you guys a new VST plugin that you guys can use. So make sure you go and grab it. It's free to download. Again, it's not as good as the Autotune Antares. Obviously that's why you have to pay for the other plugin, but if you're just a beginner and you're learning, definitely good to go with this kind of VST plugin. It's all free, as you guys can see. All the plugins here, the fruity reverb 2 is free, parametric EQ is free, the multiband compressor is free. It's a core FL Studio plugins, and that's it. Obviously I will save this preset, so I'm gonna call it T-Pain. V-Pain. T-Pain. I'm going to save this as on the desktop as T-Pain vocals. And you guys can open this preset anywhere in the FL Studio. Just right click, file, open mixer state, T-Pain vocals, just click on them. And boom, there it is. You just set your vocals to that channel 46 or whatever you load it up. And that's it. So make sure you guys drop more suggestions below. Apart from that, hit the like, subscribe. This is a very quick one for you today. See you guys again soon. Peace out. Ciao.